Okay.
Yeah, now we are coming to the retrospective three, and then we are going to discuss what went well and what can be improved and what are the action items happen. I mean, is to take for the next sprint or for the future things. For the what went well, the team is coordinated very well for the entire project, and they make everything works well. And we stuck with them. I mean, we stuck with some things regarding the communication between front end and back end and implementing ML things, but we sorted it at the end of the day.
I'll say everyone help each other. Is it okay? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay.
You can add we had success with our machine learning algorithm. The model was working well. We had no issues.
Successfully developed, right?
ML algorithm was implemented successfully with, I mean, having some hurdles, but we overcome it by sorting it together by Karthik and Manoj. We are the people who is going to taking care of that part.
Okay. Is it
And
okay, right? I have written the ML algorithm was successfully developed.
okay,
Is this okay? You want me to change anything?
that's all right. That's all right. And we hit our deadlines by checking all the
Okay.
bar down charts by each and every time, taking some off. I mean, off in the sense taking some leaves on holidays and putting it
Yeah,
in the
but we managed to complete on
yeah
time.
managed. Uh,
Yeah.
And all test cases passed.
All test case.
So good quality code.
We checked everything and those are passed.
Case passed. Think anything else? Anyone want to add?
Regular updates in Git help track progress. Mm.
Regular updates in GitHub. Help it to track the process. This is okay. Regular updates in GitHub help to track the process.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything anyone want to add else?
and we accepted a lot of feedback from the professor, and we worked on it as well.
Can you say it once
Yeah,
again?
we accepted a lot of feedback from the professor and the team members and other teams in the entire project, other projects. We taken some feedback and we
Yeah.
implemented I mean, implemented in the project, like uh, taking more care about the back end or front end or miscommunication or any delays in the
I would say good communication within the team.
Good communication and collaboration.
Successfully.
and implementing all the agile practices in time without delaying.
So I can say good communication within the team and successfully implemented the changes. What should I say? Um, Changed the. I
Good
can. I
communication,
think.
Good communication within the team by implementing all the agile practices.
Implementing and practicing.
Or you can say completing the tasks, successfully completing the tasks.
Or we can add on more things for that
Yeah.
if you want.
Anything else? I think backend and the ML APIs work well too, I guess.
Mhm.
APIs. Yeah, I think this is from my side. Anything else? Anyone else share?
I mean, I think that's it. We were organized and we had good communication. We were able to help each other with any issues, so no one was really blocked for too long. But I mean, we
Yeah,
kind of touched upon all of that already with our points, so I think it's good.
yeah. So what about what can be improved?
I think we took more time for the few tasks. We need to improve the time management.
Have been better?
Mm.
Scheduling tools could be improved.
Scheduling.
The tools.
Scheduling things could be improved, okay. Think sometimes the pile was some work was piled at the end, right? Last time, I guess.
Mm.
Sometimes work piled up near the end.
And some of them are not comfortable with the Jira is the project management tool. So they use it to uh,
More
feel
consistency on
comfortable.
that
They feel
updates, I guess.
comfortable and to work on it as well to make work cycle more better.
Need more consistency for task updates.
Just with task updates. Yeah. Anything else? Anyone wants to share? Okay. Let's go to action items. All of you. So, anyone have anything to say for action items for future projects?
Using better tools for scheduling and tracking.
Use better for scheduling and tracking. So, yes. Anything else anyone wants to add?
Having a
Include time boxing.
Hmm? Can you
Include
repeat?
time boxing in sprint planning.
Okay, time box. Okay. Time box. Sprint planning. Yeah. Anything else? Someone is saying something, I guess, in the middle.
For tracking, maybe having a labels like what we are in progress, what we have done, what we have blocked, and what we have reviewed, like that. Maybe having a clear description about that.
Okay, so we can say,
Implementing a label,
yeah,
progress, review, blocked, and what we are done.
painting a label on every task update, right?
Yeah, for updates, progress, and what we are blocked and reviewed, and what we are done with that.
Yeah. Anything else, or that's it? Does anyone have any more points?
So we should encourage quick blocker updates during standby.
Yeah, yeah. Quick move, yeah. Encourage quicker local updates. Yeah. Anything else? Anyone wants to add?
I think we can add better deadlines. I think
I think we don't have any deadline for the last one, right?
last
So
thing, but we can use some more developments if we want to for the next. I mean, if we individually want to implement anything for the front end or back end, we can add any APIs and all. Can add for the further development if possible.
so I can say for the development of code for future personal.
Yeah, future perspective can do some more better.
You can say optimization the code,
Mhm.
optimization of code for future perspectives. Okay.
I
Yeah.
think we add some points and what can be improved. Um,
Yeah.
we should have, yes, we should have a clearer communication on blockers.
Yeah.
Mm.
Clearer communication blockers. Anything other, right?
Yes.
Anything? Yeah. Anyone have any other points they want to add in any of the cases, or we can on the call?
I think
Maybe better using of story points and past sprint velocity, like to help us better. Like as in last class, professor said, we didn't use much as velocity data and story points well. We didn't mention in the historical velocity
Yeah.
sprint
So
one. So maybe
yes.
adding
In the where do you want me to add it actually?
what can be improved.
What can okay. So I can say working on
Story points on past sprint velocities data.
working on project velocity, sprint velocities, and
Yeah, story points on sprint velocity.
Very good. Okay.
Points.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
I think that's it from my end. Is anyone want to
The
add
action
anything?
items may be having a small scheduled meetings for review small codes, right? Just not at the end for the demo.
Can you repeat again?
Like more
Having a meetings to review the small code review sections,
Okay.
just not to do at the end of the sprint or when we are doing deliverable.
Okay. So, in which
Action
column?
items.
Actually, small meeting. Uh,
Having
so,
small deployments for each and every
having deployments.
for each
Huh?
and every improvement.
For each and every improvement.
Having small deployments for each and every improvement.
Sorry, having small developments. Okay. Yeah, that's it from my side. If you guys anyhow, you can add more points, or we can end this one.
I think it's good. I think it was pretty thorough.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, unless we didn't hit a point or two, I think we covered all our bases. Looking towards what worked but can be improved, and what we can work on in the future. So I think it was good work, guys.
Well, guys, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.